Oh yeah. Just gotta clean her up. All right. Got the Tesla Model 3, 2019. Just backed it up to the frame. I'm gonna pull it on the frame. You can see, smashed in the back pretty good. I have to pull that out, replace this quarter. This quarter, oh, it's got a little kink in it. See if we can fix that. If not, we'll have to replace that too. And here's the front. Let's get to it. Right now I'm lifting up the car so I can put these stands underneath. Just a little bit. Bring it back. Just in here. There we go.
This Tesla's really wrecked. Hitting the front, hitting the back, hitting the window, really wrecked. This looks like not really really good because it's wrecked. Scared me.
Sorry. Okay. Up a little more.
You know you're gonna make the car fall.
It won't, trust me.
Just a new shop that was built.
Okay.
Was it right here? Wait, no, it's right there.
Slowly drop it.
My tooth is permanent. Which means it's not gonna
Go. Okay. Now it's on the stands.
How much views do you have?
Now I'll basically do the same thing to the other side. Tighten these up and then start pulling the frame.
This is a Tesla Model 3.
Yep. What do you think, son?
Good.
We got this whole back to pull, change both quarters. Right now I'm just putting them on the pinch welds or stands or whatever you call them. This is a 2019 Tesla Model 3 dual motor, long range.
18.
Alright, we got the Tesla on the frame now. Took the rear tires off and this inner guard. And then I'm gonna need to start pulling. Probably replace this quarter. Sorry, the lighting in here is not that good. We haven't installed any lights in here yet. Just built this new shop. As you can see, this whole back is pushed in. That tub, need to replace that tub. So I just got a part in. Basically, it's like cut like this, which I'm still gonna have to replace both quarters, but I got this whole rear end. See right here. Where the reinforcement bolts up to. So I got the whole rear end. So basically still need to get the 2 quarters. Got the rear end, but I still need to get both quarters. And then on this front end, need to get this front end. Right here it crumbled a little bit, so I'll have to cut around here. We'll first pull it, cut it there, put a new piece, and basically unbolt these bolts, and then all the, if you look up here, all these spot welds, unbolt it to replace this top piece and probably this bottom piece if it doesn't bend out. Yep, stay tuned.